Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to install Maxwell and at the end how to uninstall Maxwell. Installing takes less than a minute. Simply go to askradar.ai.maxwell and click on the blue button to install. Here you'll be able to choose your Slack workspace, and once you've done that, simply hit the green allow button. Success! Maxwell is now installed in your workspace. Just one more step. Type in /add Maxwell into your channel and hit send. And just like that, Maxwell has been added. You'll notice Maxwell is an integration, not a member. So it is now available, working seamlessly in the background, nice and quiet, providing you with reports on Fridays. If you don't want to wait for Friday, simply go to your channel, type in instant report, and then the number of days back you would like, for instance, 7, and hit send. You now have a downloadable Excel document like this. It has three categories, all rated 1 to 10, and the engagement score is an average of all of those. So you get a really good idea of how your team is doing on a weekly basis. So let's get started. Install Maxwell today. Go to askradar.ai/Maxwell. Next, we're going to show you how to uninstall Maxwell. Simply go to the Slack app directory, click on remove, and remove the app. And there you go. Maxwell is now uninstalled from your Slack workspace.